Transunion app. So how to install it? So just tap get and double click to install. So that's the app, finance app. Only available for users with Hong Kong mobile number. Transunion Credit Report score and alert service helps you to monitor and understand your credit situation, stay on top of any changes to your personal data, and be alerted on new account openings or account inquiries anytime and anywhere. You can have around-the-clock access to your credit profile and able to shape your financial future by maintaining a healthy credit score and planning properly for financial success. So that's what it is. And you just select the language, and then from here you are able to sign up again only with Hong Kong number.